Hello everyone, welcome back to the series French for Beginners. Today is lesson 5, French grammar. We'll go over indefinite and definite articles, personal subject pronouns, and the verbs to be and to have. Let's get started. Do you still remember the personal objects that we have learned in lesson 3? Take a good look at the objects again. For example, un sac and une montre. Un and une both correspond to the article a bag, un sac, a watch, une montre. Des clés. Des is the indefinite articles for plural in French. In order to understand this, we should know that all nouns have genders in French. They may either be masculine or feminine. Now, let's take a look at the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles. For masculine noun that is singular, we use indefinite articles un. For example, un sac, un stylo, et un parapluie, which is a bag, a pen, and an umbrella. For feminine nouns that are singular, we use indefinite articles une. For example, une montre, une maison, et une chaise, a watch, a house, and a chair. For nouns that are in plural, regardless of their genders, we all use de as the indefinite articles. Des sacs, des lunettes de soleil, et d'un stylo. You may ask, how about definite articles? How do we say the bag, the pen, or the watch? Here comes the definite articles. For singular masculine nouns, we use le. For example, the bag, le sac, the pen, le stylo. For feminine singular nouns, we use la. For example, the watch, la montre, the house, la maison. One thing that is important, when the noun starts with a vowel or letter H regardless of gender, we change le or la into L apostrophe, which is l'hôpital, l'école. That is why the hospital is l'hôpital and the school is l'école. For plural nouns, regardless of gender, we use le sac, les lunettes de soleil, et les échos. Good job so far. Now we have already done with articles. Now let's move on to personal subject pronouns, which is I, he, she. So for I, we use je. For informal and singular you, we use tu. For he, we use il. For she, we use elle. For we use nous. To address you that is not informal and singular, we use vous. For they, that is plural, which is not all females, we use il. They, that is plural and all females, we use elle. So let's move on to basic sentence pattern. French is using basic sentence pattern same as English, which is subject-verb-object sentence pattern. For example, I eat an apple. Subject, verb, object. In French, we use je mange une pomme. Subject, verb, object. Very similar. Okay, now you understand the basic sentence pattern. The next step is learning verb. The very basic verb to be, comes into infinitive form, which is être. Now let's show the conjugation for the verb to be. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Now let's learn some examples for the verb to be. For example, je suis japonais, I'm Japanese. Tu es intelligent, or tu es intelligente, you are intelligent. Il est grand, He is tall. Elle est grande. She is tall. Nous sommes perdus. We are lost. Vous êtes sympa. You are nice. Ils sont gentils. They are gentle. Ils sont élégants. They are elegant. Now let's learn one more important verb, which is the verb to have. It takes the infinitive form avoir. Let's show the conjugation for the verb avoir. I have, je. You have, tu as. He has, il a. She has, elle a. We have, nous avons. You have, vous avez. They have, ils sont. They have, elles sont. Now let's learn more about the examples for the verb to have. For example, I'm 20 years old. J'ai 20 ans. You have a brother. Tu as un frère. He has a house. Il a une maison. She has a car. Elle a une voiture. We have the keys. Nous avons les clés. You have a bag. Vous avez un sac. They have 3 bicycles. Ils ont 3 vélos. They have pens. Ils ont des stylos. That's all for this lesson, and thank you for watching.